guys, it is me, Simone, and today we're going to do a quick haul. I am sorry if the camera is shaking. I have my camera mounted on my desk, which is a little bit unusual for me. I normally have it on the wall, so I'm sorry about the shaking if there's any shaking that does happen. So I'm going to try my best to not move too much, but we'll see how this goes. First thing I have is eBay. This is just a couple brushes that I bought. I bought some more makeup brushes. I love these for ink blending. These are my go-to ink blending now when I'm doing like backgrounds and stuff. You can kind of see this one stain. Yeah, you see it stain. But so when I had one type of brushes, I couldn't play with all my colors because, you know, cross-contamination and all kind of stuff. Had to keep cleaning them. I really wanted to have dedicated ones for nitrous oxides and then dedicated ones for just regular inks. So I got these and I made sure to get different handle colors. So let's go. And these are $7, I think. Just dropped them. So I'm gonna go through and clean all my pink handle brushes, make sure everything's good to go, and then use those only for my dry inks. And that's all of eBay. The rest of this is Dollar Tree. So Dollar Tree, I ended up buying this plastic pouch here. Now this reminds me a lot. It looks just similar, really similar, if not the same, to the pouches you get if you buy a Studio Calico kit. So I thought that was really interesting. Now this one is 9 1/4 by like 13 inches roughly, and it's waterproof and everything. I think it's really cool, and I just use these to keep some projects that I'm working on, certain elements together. And for $1, I know they're selling something like this on like other sites. I think Simon Says Stamp has them. I've been seeing these little pouches around, and other people like have them and selling them. So I think it's really cool to find them for $1. And it's like in my Dollar Tree, it was buy the nail stuff. And last thing I want to show you is I bought this nail dispenser, which I'm going to quickly show you or explain to you how to make your own little product. But I bought this actually to see if I can just make my own stamping cleaner dispensing thing. I've been seeing a lot of people get the Bruce Monroe one. I thought it was kind of crazy to spend $8 for a nail thing, so I just got this from Dollar Tree. So all you're gonna need to make this real quick, haul's over, I wanted to give you a cool like tutorial, is you're gonna need some baby shampoo, and then you're gonna need a nail thing, a nail just pump bottle. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna fill it up about a nice solid bottom. I did about here, and then you're going to just a baby's shampoo, and then the rest of it's just gonna be water. You can play around with your, you know, ratio. And then all you're gonna need now is some those like stamping chamois. So this is actually one I got from Amazon. I'll leave a link below. They do have one at Dollar Tree. I was gonna buy it and show you guys, but I bought a pack of these, a pack of 4, and one sheet gives you about 4 stamping chamois. So, and it's a pack of 4, so I have, no, I think, yeah, it's a pack of 4. So I have 3 more big old huge sheets of this stuff just in my drawer waiting to be used. So I love these, and I keep them in this little plastic baby wipe container. I got some Dollar Tree too, and that keeps them moist. So all I have to do is, if you stamp an image out, if I get my stand up and stamp it out, all I have to do is open this up and pump it, and then boom boom boom, and I'm done. Good and simple. The only thing about this one is this one doesn't lock. I think his has a locking mechanism on it. I've seen some of these on eBay too. I don't know if they have a locking mechanism. You have to look for it, but they were like $1.30, $1.40, only 40 more cents than this thing was. You know, not bad at all. So that kind of just sums up my haul here. Very cheap, very affordable. I'm very curious to see how it works with some more testing and stuff. I will label this and make sure I tell myself that this is a stamping cleaner. Camera shaking, sorry guys. Next thing I'll tell you too, if you're looking for the like stamp chamois kind of thing, it's in the, sorry my dog just sneezed. It is in the card section. They are in little gosh, plastic tubes, and it's a yellowish orange rag, and the rag normally is in plastic because it's damp, and they want to make sure it keeps damp. So if you're looking for the stamp chamois at Dollar Tree, it will be in a plastic tube, a clear plastic tube. Inside you will see an orangish yellowish rag that is going to be in a plastic bag basically, and then swirled up to fit in the tube. If you see that, that's what you want. It says PVC, I think it's PVC rag or something. I was tempted to buy it, but I already have like 20 of them. I don't need one, just for the demonstration of showing you guys. Love you guys, but that's $1 that I could spend on something else. But I just wanted to just tell you guys that and show you. So hope you enjoy this haul slash DIY stamp cleaner dispenser, and I will talk to you later. Bye. Get crafty.